Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about types of redox reaction. Okay, means what are the different types of redox reaction? We shall discuss today in this video. Okay, so there are mainly four types of redox reaction. Number one is combination reaction. Number two is decomposition reaction. Number three is displacement reaction, and the number fourth one is disproportionation reaction. Okay, so we shall discuss today these reactions in details one by one in this video. Okay, and if you don't know about redox reaction, then please watch my previous video. We have discussed about redox reaction in details in my previous videos. Okay, and I shall provide the link of that video in my description box. You please watch if you don't know. Okay, so now let us start. Before that, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I shall upload my new video. Okay, so let us begin the video. Now see, number one, combination reaction. So combination reaction is nothing but a reaction in which two atoms or molecules combine together to form a third molecule. Is called a combination reaction. Okay, means when two atoms or molecules mix together or combine together to form one product, okay, or one molecule, that reaction will be called combination reaction. Okay, clear? So now let us take one example. Carbon plus oxygen, okay, gives carbon dioxide. You see here, this is one atom and this is homoatomic molecule. So when two substances combine together, okay, to form one product or to form one molecule, here see, these two combine together and form this one product or one molecule. Okay, so if two molecule or two atoms combine together and form one product or one molecule, then that reaction will be called combination reaction. Okay, so here you see two substances combine together and form one product. Okay, so that's why this reaction is called combination reaction. Okay, so here you see oxidation number of carbon is 0 and O2 is also 0, but in the product form the oxidation number of carbon is +4 and that oxygen is -2. Okay, now you see the oxidation number of carbon increases from 0 to +4 and the oxidation number of O2 is decreased from 0 to -2. Okay, so that's why this carbon is oxidized, because we know when oxidation number increases, then that substance will be oxidized. Okay, and we know when oxidation number decreases, then that substance will be reduced. Okay, so here this O2 reduce. Okay, now you see in this reaction both oxidation and reduction take place, so this is also redox reaction. Okay, clear? So you can say this also redox reaction. Okay, now come to the number 2 reaction, that is decomposition reaction. So decomposition reaction, a reaction in which a molecule breaks down to form two or more components is called a decomposition reaction. Okay, means in a reaction when one molecule breaks down into different components, that is 2 or more components, then that reaction will be called decomposition reaction. Okay, clear? So now let us take one example. If we take zinc oxide and if we heat to this zinc oxide, then this zinc oxide breaks down into 2 parts, that is zinc and oxygen. Okay, so first we have to balance this equation. You see in the product form, number of oxygen atom is 2, so we have to multiply by 2 here. So now oxygen atom is balanced. Okay, again we have to balance the number of zinc atom. Now you see in the reactant, number of zinc atom is 2, so we have to also multiply by 2 here also. Okay, then only this reaction will be balanced. So now this reaction is in balance. So you see here, this one molecule breaks down into 2 components. Okay, that's why this reaction is decomposition reaction. Again you see here, oxidation number of zinc is +2 and oxidation number of oxygen is -2, and in the right side, that is in the product form, oxidation number of zinc is 0 because it is in free state, and oxidation number of O2 is also 0 because it is homoatomic molecule. Okay, if you don't know about oxidation number and how to calculate oxidation number, then please watch my previous video. We have discussed in that videos about oxidation number. Okay, so you see the oxidation number of zinc decreases from +2 to 0. Okay, that means zinc reduce here because oxidation number decrease, and you see oxidation number of oxygen increases from -2 to 0. So that's why this oxygen oxidized. Okay, so here also in this reaction, reduction and oxidation take place. That's why this reaction is also redox reaction. Okay, clear? So now come to the number 3 reaction, that is displacement reaction. So displacement reaction is nothing but a reaction in which an atom or ion in a compound is replaced by an atom or ion of some other element is called a displacement reaction. Okay, means in a reaction, any atom in a compound is replaced by some other atom, then that reaction will be called displacement reaction. That is, we have to displace one atom by another atom. Okay, then only that reaction will be called displacement reaction. Okay, so now let us take one example. If we take zinc plus copper oxide gives us zinc oxide plus copper. You see here in this compound, this copper has been replaced by zinc in the product form. You see oxygen remains same. Okay, so in this compound, this copper atom has been replaced by this zinc atom. Okay, so that's why this reaction will be called displacement reaction. Okay, so again you see here, oxidation number of zinc is 0 because it is in free state, and oxidation number of copper is +2 and oxidation number of oxygen is -2, and in the right side, the oxidation number of zinc is +2 and oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Okay, and oxidation number of copper is 0. Now you see here, oxidation number of zinc increases from 0 to +2. Okay, so that's why zinc is oxidized in this reaction. Okay, and you see oxidation number of copper decreases from +2 to 0. Okay, that's why this copper reduce in this reaction. Okay, so here also in this reaction both oxidation and reduction take place, so that's why this reaction is also redox reaction. Okay, so displacement reaction is clear. So now come to the number 4 reaction, that is last one reaction, disproportionation reaction. Okay, so displacement reaction is nothing but a reaction in which an element is simultaneously oxidized as well as reduced, are called disproportionation reaction. Okay, that is, in a reaction if an element at the same time get oxidized and reduced, then that reaction will be called disproportion reaction. Okay, that is, one element should be oxidized and reduced at the same time and same element, then that reaction will be called disproportionation reaction. Okay, so now let us take one example. If we take this Cl2 plus OH negative gives us ClO negative plus Cl negative plus H2O. Okay, so if we take this reaction, now you see we have to first find the oxidation number of each compound in this reaction. Okay, so here oxidation number of chlorine is 0 and oxidation number of chlorine in the right side is +1. Okay, and this chlorine is -1. Okay, and then we have to balance this reaction. Okay, so you see in the right side the number of hydrogen atom is 2, so we have to multiply by 2 here. Okay, now you see the number of oxygen atom is balance and hydrogen atom. Okay, so now this reaction is balance. Now you see the oxidation number of this chlorine in the left side is 0, but in the right side in this compound oxidation number of chlorine is +1, but in this ion oxidation number of chlorine is -1. That is, if we consider this compound, then oxidation number of chlorine increases from 0 to +1, but if we consider this ion, then oxidation number of chlorine decreases from 0 to -1. That is, in this reaction one element get oxidized and reduced at the same time. Okay, first this chlorine oxidized and then this reduced. Okay, because oxidation number of chlorine increases in this compound, but oxidation number of chlorine decreases in this compound. Okay, so this is disproportionation reaction, because here same element get oxidized and reduced at the same time, that is simultaneously. Okay, that's why this reaction is disproportionation reaction. Okay, I think these things are clear. That is, the 4 types of redox reaction is clear. So see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.